I think I hear formation flight coming. I do. Those pits flying together. I don't know where. Yeah, there they are. Two together. Right that way. Two together. I'm looking at the pits, damn it. They're together. Yeah.
You guys trying to trip me up. You guys can take off information. Oh,
We might. Oh, Frankie, I'll go with you.
Hey, Joey. A couple of pits.
Bob's coming too. So, I'll lead and then Frank come behind me.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, I'm going. Going up. What? Glasses? Ah. Okay, go. I'll be with you. Step back a little bit if you can, Bob. Alright, I'm already going, so I'm going to blast. Fast pass. Going up. Yes, everything's stock. Well, we'll stick with you though. If we're stock, you'll have a hard time catching us because we're all the same speed. So we'll wait for you, and then we'll all go together. There you are. There you are. Okay, so now we're stuck. Now we're all together.
Who's in the middle?
That's Karl. Okay. Whoa, it's bouncing all over the place.
It is a bit bouncy. I'm lucky that I have a stabilizer up there.
Yeah, it was like thermals going through. Low and close. Going up. Okay, I'm joining up with you guys.
Low pass, slow protocol. Dude, that afterburner looks sick.
You like it?
I love it.
Yeah, now you see it, you're like, yes.
Now I'm like, I should have done
I'm gonna wait for you guys and then come with you. Alright, fast pass. I'm staying low and fast. Close pass. Go up, Frank. What I like is that whistle it makes.
Time expired.
I'm going kind of slow.
Gear down.
Damn, son. You's landed hot.
Okay, I'm coming in. Tell me where you guys are. Okay, I'll stay close. Whoa!
1 minute over.
Nice.
Whew, that was scary. That was some kind of downdraft or something.
Yeah.
Guys, that was fun. Ripping around like crazy, man.
I didn't even set the throttle.
You didn't? Good stuff. That was fun. What, where does your throttle come on? Does it come on right away?
No.
Okay, so you need to set it. It'll go
So
faster.
Here.
Yeah.
How do you program the afterburner?
There.
It's just